Good day, everyone. My name is Gisame A. Fuentes from BIS A2B, and I'm delighted to be here today to talk about an essential topic in biochemistry: the water, pH, and buffers. Biochemistry might sound complex, but at its core, it helps us understand life at the molecular level. These three fundamental concepts play a crucial role in maintaining balance in our bodies, allowing us to function properly. Biochemistry is the study of life at the molecular level, and it reveals the process that sustain us. Three concepts in biochemistry: the water, pH, and buffers play a vital role in maintaining life. Though this may seem simple, they are essential for understanding how our bodies function. Water is often called the elixir of life because it is fundamental to nearly every biological process. It makes up the majority of our body and serves as the medium in which chemical reactions occur. One of water's unique properties is its ability to dissolve many substances, earning it the title of the universal solvent. This quality allows it to transport nutrients, remove waste, and regulate body temperature. Water is also crucial for hydration at the cellular level, ensuring cells perform their functions efficiently. The concept of pH refers to the measure of acidity or alkalinity of a solution, ranging from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral. Values below 7 are acidic, and values above 7 are basic. Maintaining the right pH is critical for the human body. Like, for example, blood must stay within a narrow pH range of 7.35 to 7.45 for enzymes and organs to function properly. Even slight deviation can lead to serious health issues. Buffers are systems that help stabilize pH levels by neutralizing acids or bases. In the body, buffers act like a safety net, preventing drastic pH changes. For instance, the bicarbonate buffer system in our blood ensures that pH stays balanced, allowing vital processes like oxygen transport to occur smoothly. In conclusion, water, pH, and buffers are interconnected components that keep our bodies functioning. Understanding their rules provides insights into the delicate balance that supports life. Thank you.